House Kani by Kraft architects in Gifu, Japan. This is a project for a detached house for a couple and their children in Kani City, Gifu Prefecture. The couple's only request was, "I want a bright and comfortable house that makes me want to stretch out when I wake up in the morning." While facing the characteristics of this area, I thought about how to create a bright and comfortable space and a family space. A private space extending north and south, microvacular, the planned site is distorted and elongated from north to south, facing a national highway with heavy traffic to the north, the client's grandfather's farm to the south, a new residential area to the east, and a farm with a different owner to the west. In planning, we will reveal the spatial inevitability of this land, micro-vernacular, a coined word. At first glance, it looks like a roadside residential area in a provincial city, but if you look closely, you will notice that it has a completely different expression depending on the direction, as if to tell the history of the area. We discarded the otherness of the east and west faces, extracted and redefined a private space extending north and south, and put it at the center of the plan to assemble the way the house should be. First, we ensured the volume by maximizing the wall on the south side according to the shape of the site. Then, we placed a living/dining room, family space, with 2 levels of space in the center of the volume and placed a plumbing area, an entrance, and each living room, personal space, on both sides. The family space is sandwiched between the personal space, and the structural plan is also organized according to the policy. Secure the necessary number of walls for the 2 personal spaces and plan the family space in the gap between the personal spaces. In addition, the bridge and stairs, which are the line of flow from the first floor to the second floor, also serve as a study corner for the family and a bench that serves one's location. I feel that it is appropriate that they complement each other rather than stand alone, like when using laminated lumber with a large cross-section, and the bridge is made of 105 square distributed lumber. It is planned as a thin solid slab, mass timber, that is formed by connecting, and the staircase adopts a form in which one end of the slab is suspended from the roof with a rod. I planned an ideal state in which the spatial composition, structural planning, and the state of the family should be in harmony.